What is up, you guys? It's Jessi Maee, and welcome to a vlog. We are going to be designing our dream tiny house. A bunch of different videos, kind of made, you know, like a little series. I don't know, there's going to be multiple videos coming your way, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads for us designing our dream tiny house. Now, I forgot to do the intro for the first one, so that's why we're here. So here is our first video. We're about to put siding on the micro shed.
Tools needed for this job.
Oh, you might want to restart the recording.
I wasn't doing it for that, I was doing it for you.
Oh, well. Lever, snips, hammered.
Lever?
Lever. Levers? Oh, levels. Levels, hammer.
Collector tools. Leave them over there. You got these.
Okay.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for.
Day 2, Cougar. Starting off with bug spray.
Dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
Pretty decent.
Huh?
You could just put rock on the top of there, to be honest.
Okay. Don't need these.
Give us a thing.
Yeah.
I mean, it's up under the vinyl roof. but just so it doesn't get behind the siding.
What happened there?
Just put a bead of. Huh?
You see how it bows out?
Oh yeah, yeah. You can pull it over.
Oh.
Higher pushing it.
Yeah. There you go.
That's the way it was constructed. It's right on the edge there.
Right. Well, we accomplished one side. It's a little dirty.
It actually came out for that angle.
Yeah, it did. It's a little dirty, but
Yeah, it'll wash up though.
alright, it's just dirt. Are we doing the other side or?
There you go.
I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always pray on the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you.
Not exactly sure where this is going to go into a vlog because I completely forgot to capture it, but I took down the air mattress because Kevin is on his way home with my twin size air mattress, so at least now I'll be able to sleep on. Did I say a twin size air mattress? I meant like a twin size mattress, like a real bed, you know, so I won't be sleeping on an air mattress anymore. The reason we have two beds is because we don't have a big enough bed for all of us. As you can see, two pit bulls kind of take up a full-size bed. So when we do put in, I don't know if it's gonna go over here. It might even go over here, but yeah, I'm working on this. And hard-boiled eggs for breakfast. Anyway, so we're gonna get a Murphy bed, so you know, one of those like pull-down beds, and it's gonna be a king, I believe. So that should be big enough for all of us, me, Kevin, the two dogs, and a cat or two. They have their own cat beds, but yeah, I look incredible. But change of plans. So he doesn't have my bed, so I'm not doing this for no reason. She decided there's no bed here, but I'm just going to sprawl out because it looks this is a hot mess, but it looks 10 times, this is a hot mess, 10 times better. Hot mess, this is dirty clothes. Anyway, like, it's a work in progress. So what he had said was that so he said he's not going to bring the twin bed up this week because we are going to be insulating this lovely cabin. So everything has to come out. So stick around, there's going to be an installation video. I don't know if it's going to be a how-to installation, or it just might be like a installing installation in our tiny house and off-grid vlog. Yeah, so definitely stick around for that. But anyway, we're gonna insulate. I have no idea how to insulate, so this is gonna be fun. So yeah, anyway, cucumber tomato salad. There is no oil in it, so I believe it's a little bit healthier. It's just red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, and onions, cucumbers, and tomatoes. But anyway, so I'm going to do that. This is a fitness bread. I don't really, Kevin bought it. I don't know, it's some famous German fitness bread from Delba. I don't know, I have a half one. It has like a lot of fiber and protein, or you know. And then I'm going to add a little bit of chia seeds, everything bagel seasoning, and then just cut up one of these hard-boiled eggs. I made extra so I could have them later. We're gonna try this. I've never tried this. This is some avocado hot sauce. I don't have avocado for, you know, like an avocado toast, so we're improvising. Avocado hot sauce. It's an egg. Oh, I can't even pick it up. Oh. My fitness bread fell apart. Like, completely fell apart. But this avocado hot sauce actually has a decent amount of avocado flavor to it, so I'm happy Kevin got two.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's
forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right
Make sure you
back.
guys subscribe to the channel by clicking this link right here so you don't miss any of the future uploads of us designing our dream tiny house. And if you want to catch any of the previous uploads or just hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I shall catch you in the next one. Bye!